Where?
You like to sell it?
31 feet? What?
Oh, we're going that way.
Dude, it's a... Oh, I thought it was a bluegill. I was like, dude, it's a fucking bluegill. Alright, Kang. If we catch one fish, I'll switch you up, dude. Oh, yeah, here. I'll switch you up. I'll give you one of the good ones. That way, I don't want you to go tell our coworker, dude, it's fucking two took me. And I would snap. Oh, a fish. Popped out. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah. Yeah, it's a fish. It's a fish. Oh, fish on.
Oh, we almost had a double. Almost had the double. You did it.
You're good. You're good. Told you. There's a fish in that point.
Yeah, because the fucking point's all
Little baby.
That's like the plus of being on the front of the boat. Is that right there? When you roll it and you're coming to a good spot, you can position it so you're the first one to cast at it. Like, especially when you know. I mean, like, like that. Like, that's like something we always do. You know, like, I'd be going towards someone.
Good old +2. I don't think I've ever caught a fish on a +2. I did on a +1. Oh, there we go. Oh, fuck. Oh, there we go. No, got a fish.
Yeah.
+2 is better. Probably. Because they're getting deeper. Right to where they're hanging out. Dude.